Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sagi Skills. Guys, as you know, we are developing a small project and for practice purpose, and this is the fifth part of our video series. In the last four videos, we have created homepage and menus and footer area. And in the last video, we have left one column in the footer area. Today in this video, we are going to complete that columns, and after that, we will create one country page so that we can navigate from country to country page from the menu. If we will click on the menu, countries menu, so we can navigate to the country page. So in this video we will create a country page and we will complete the last column of our footer. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start. So guys, in our last video we have designed all these things. We have created all these things like important links, and this is the links here. These are the links, and this column for recharge CSD, and we have created and we have written address here. In the last column, in this column we are going to create some countries name. So for that, let's go to CSS file, HTML file in the editor, and here this is our last column for country. So here write h2 and write countries name, countries, control s, then create link li and write here India. For saving time, I'm just copy it and just paste 2-3 times and just change it by the name another countries like USA, UAE, Morocco, Saudi Arabia and Hong Kong. Okay guys, control S, go to browser and check it. You can see guys, now we have countries column also completely. So we have complete all these columns in the footer sections. This is our links and these are our countries and this is our address. So guys, next what we are going to do, you can see here we have created all these menus. So if I click on countries, it will nothing happening. It's nothing happening. If I click on products, it's nothing happening. And same like services, contacts. So guys, what actually we want if somebody clicks on countries, so country's name should be appear, the country's page should be display here. And similarly, if somebody clicks on products, so the product page should be display on the screen. Same like services and contacts, if somebody click on contacts, the contact form should be displayed where the client can fill his or her contact details and contact to us. So guys, first of all, just let's create countries page, and that page we will link by this with this menu, with this button. So for that, let's go to editor and open new file and save it by the name countries. So country.html and save it, and just creates like simply basically the structure of HTML and head title countries. Okay guys, and here body, and guys, inside this header we are going to link this CSS file because we will style something. So for that, link relation style sheet, type text dot css href text href project dot css. This is your file name, right guys? So we have linked this file into this page also. So here let's create one row first, class row, and guys, inside this row let's create one div and give it id, header, and close it. And inside this header let's create one heading and write countries, COUN, countries, control S and go to browser, check it. So guys, you can see we have here one heading, but we have to some style so that it will be display clearly. So for that, go to CSS file and target this name, id name. So header, go to CSS file and just comment it first of all like this, slash start CSS start for country page. This is comment guys, okay? It will not affect any of on any other code. So it's just only for showing the message to the person, for the developer, that this line start for what, and just close it. So now guys, here write hash and header, this is the id name of that, and background color RGBA 0.0 0.6, and right, inside whatever color should be white. So the text inside will be white inside this header. Control S, go to, you can see guys, now we have our header, and inside header we have this heading countries. And let's create. So guys, what actually we want this background images with the globe or map, so it looks better, it's look like professionally. So for that, let's go to Google. So for Google I will search some images, okay guys, and in that image I will download in my PC, and after that when I will download that in the PC, I will use that image in the background of this country HTML page. So now, so let's create connect my Wi-Fi. So now go to Google and write here globe pic, and here images inside this, or instead of global write like map connectivity, map connectivity, world map connectivity, you can say like this. So here you can see, yeah, so let's choose any image. So for example, like any one of image we can find here. So the better is looking like better, okay guys. So let's download it, right click, save image, and you should save your image in the same folder. So our folder is project, and here images, and inside this we have, and you can change the name. I am changing by bg pic, okay, and save it. So now guys, I have downloaded these images, let's use it. So here, okay, here in the body, before body, write style. Okay, why actually I'm writing this, because I have linked this project CSS file into the. So if I type here, like here, as you can see in the body, if I will give you the background images, so it will apply all the pages. So I don't want it, because we have linked this file to all pages. So I just particularly I want to only for country page HTML, country page HTML. So for that I'm writing inside here, so that it will not affect to other pages. So here body, background image, URL, and this is our folder images, and bg images, and control S. Let's check it's working or not. Yeah guys, you can see it's working. So now we have this image, background image in our body of country page. So let's create some country's name and some design style here. So for that, let's go to here, after this header, let's create one div id uh, Middle East. Okay, this is the name, Middle East. Middle East. Okay, and close it. Sorry, close it. And guys, here just first style it, give you some margin padding, and go to CSS file here, come here and target it by id from v. Width should be 350 pixel and height should be 300, and border 1 pixel solid white. Okay, let's see. Yeah guys, you can see now we have this column here, and here background RGBA, and the background should be 255 255.05. Control S. Yes guys, you can see, you can just opacity can be down little, like what to. Yeah, it's looking nice now. And the guys, we want 3 more columns for other countries, like this is Middle East. So come to country.html and just copy it right here, one heading 3, and right here Middle East, and just copy it and paste 3 times. Control S, go to browser, check it. Yeah, you can see we have 3 columns, but they are coming the vertically. I want it horizontally, like this, in the horizontally. So for that we have to float left. Control S. You can see guys, now we have all these things. This is the border coming dot 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 because we have given heading 3, and somewhere in the project to the heading 3 we have given some border. So let's change it. The heading is let's do it 4, so it will not be apply 4. Control S. Yes, it's now good. We will change the color, no problem. So let's give some margin between all these things. So for that, project CSS margin left 20 pixels. Control S. You can see guys, it's the margin. You can give more margin, 50 pixels. Yeah guys, it's nice looking now. Let's create the color of the, so whatever the color written inside this div should be white. So Control S, and you can see now our this heading is white color. So let's give some padding. Padding should be 5 pixels. Control S. So now you can see there is a space before heading. So let's create in center. So here target it, copy it, paste it here again, and H4 text align. Text align center. Control S. So let's see the browser. You can see now all the headings in the center of this div. So let's write the name of countries and change the headings. So in the Middle East we will write here li, and Middle East, like if we are covering like UAE, copy paste sometimes like 2-3 times. UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and change this heading into North Europe, and just copy these allies and paste it here, and change the country names. And here in North Morocco, Spain, and you can write find any countries, whatever in North Europe, and anything. Just I am typing two countries. Actually, I don't remember how many countries. So here I'm writing the USA. Like here America, and just paste these two ally here, paste, and change here New York, and change this California. You can write your name, country name. Just I'm telling you, for example, to teaching you how we can create a project. So let's save it, go to browser. So you can see we have here some countries name: Middle East, UAE, Qatar, and North Europe. This two countries, Morocco and this, America, New York, and this. So let's make it center. So for that, here in the CSS file, these are the li, copy it and paste it here, and li, and just text align center, Control S. So all the li's in the center, as you can see, and just remove this dotted. So this is the list style. So list style none, we don't want to show any style. So copy and save it. See, you can see now we have Middle East, Northeast, America, and these are countries, and here this is the in the header countries. Okay guys, so and here we have to write one more heading to go back like home. So for that, go to country HTML page, and here inside this one more heading, one more table means, sorry, or you can write heading like a heading 4 and write here home. Okay, we have written home. Control S, and where is it? It's here, but we want inside this row. Cut it and just paste it here, paste, Control S. So guys, you can see this is our home, and here just you can make one more div. So cut it, like I am giving here one div id home div, and close it, and inside this I'm giving this heading. Okay guys, let's see what happened. Yeah, this is here in this one, but I want to it here, make it here. So for that, just this id, let's make some style id, width 40%, Control S, and float it left, float left, Control S, go to browser, and now we have to float everything, and float this one also, header row, and this header and row. So class, this is row, class row, we have to float it also. So right here class and float it left, Control S, And one more things, because we have given more margin between these, so that's why this is coming here. So for that, what we have to do, just remove some margin left 20%, Control S, and one more, just margin it 10%, or less 0, or instead 0, let's keep it 30 pixel. And what we have to do, just copy this id, home div id, and go to CSS and write here header, below this header in this copy, and then float it left. Control S, go to browser. So it's a now, and just remove this float left from here. Let's see what happened. So here I think just go to only this, just Control S. Let's see, create another home button. Actually we are going to create home button, so that if we click on home button, so we have to go our home page. So for that, let's copy it again, this div, and paste it one more time inside this row. Okay, this is the C, this is the main class row, and this is closing here. Inside this row we have two divs, one for header countries and one for header the div. We can give this name a different name, but instead of writing more CSS, so I'm just using same name. So whatever I have applied already on this header ID, it will be applied on this also. So that's why I'm not changing this name also. So let's see and write here in home, and just make it a link like a href. We will give the target later. So just copy it here and paste the tag after home. Sorry, one more close, and close this. And this is we have did all these things home button. So let's see in the browser. So you can see we have home button here, but it's coming below this country. We want it in the right side, so let's float it left, go to, and this heading, it will be apply on both divs because the same name. So float left, Control S, go to, you can see now we have here our home button. So let's style this home button and change the name, its color and something. So come here and copy it and paste it here. So inside this header there is a, and so text decoration none, and color white. Control S, and you can see now we have home button here. So let's make it just little stylish and good looking, like hover. When we hover it, it should change its name, sorry, it should change its color. So for that, come here, copy it again and paste it here, and when delete it, so when we hover on it, so color should be orange, and Control S. Yeah, you can see now it's changing its color. When we hover on it, so it's changing its color. Okay, and these are our country, and this is, you can give them more border for to make it stylish. So let's give border, make it more stylish. Border 20 pixels, ridge white. You can see now these are the borders. So we have to remove some margin from the left side, 20, Yeah, you can see now we have these columns for the countries. So the question is, if we click on home button, so how we will go back on our home page? So guys, in this home button we have to provide our main page, like HTML. What is our main page? This is our main page, project.html. This name we must provide into that links. Where? Here href, still it's a blank, we did not pass anything, so we have to pass this name, this project.html, inside this href tag. So here I'm writing project.html. So now what will happen when the user or anybody will click on home button? So it will take to us home page. This is our home page, project.html. Okay, let's check it. Control S, refresh. So now I'm clicking, no, I'm going to click on this home button and it will take to me on our home page. So see, you can see now we are our home page. And if I click on countries, it's nothing happen, but it I want display all the countries names which we have created right now. So for that we have to pass that this country.html into our project.html file. So for that, here we have our this menu, which one? This one, home, countries, products, service, contacts. Here these are the all our menus. So inside country, here href, I have to provide this country.html page. So I have provided country.html page which we have created in this video today. So now what will happen, guys, when anybody will click on countries button, so it will take to us in the countries.html page. So let's try it. Control S. So now refresh. So now guys, I'm going to click on this country button, so it will take to me on the country page which we have created in this video today. So let's click. So you can see now we are on country page. If we click on home page, it will take to us home page. You can see now we are on home page. Now click on countries, it's home country page. Click on home page, now we are on home page. So it's a navigation, it's called navigation. Okay, we are navigating our page to another page. So I hope guys it's enough for this video. So in next video we will continue all these pages. We will create product page, service page, and we will create finally form also, and this form we will connect to the PHP and backend also after completing this project. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel and share, like. Thank you.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and like, and if you want more updates from our channel, so subscribe our channel. Thank you.